Located just southeast of Metro Denver, this 11,000 square foot agricultural multi-use building features offices upstairs for farm operations and a residential apartment with a 12-foot walkout door to a wraparound deck. Property owner Sean Pavlich is a retired U.S. Air Force fighter pilot. He chose copper-colored pre-painted steel as the roof material for its aesthetics and color complement, to make a statement, and to easily spot the building when flying from above. Pavlich is also the owner of Pavlich Construction. He got to know S-5 and its owner Rob Haddock after reading a feature article in one of the metal construction industry trade magazines. He called Rob to discuss what it would take to add S-5's ColorGard snow retention system to the standing seam metal roof, in order to protect the property from dangerous snow slides that can occur during winter months.
The installation for the S-5 was great. My son and I did it ourselves. We took probably maybe 8 to 10 man hours to do it, so it was very easy.
It's been just a lot of fun being able to work on projects with your dad and, fight over what's right and what's wrong.
Pavlich and his son Nick installed the ColorGard in 8 to 10 hours. They had watched the S-5 installation videos, took all the suggestions, pre-assembled the parts, got their lines straight, and installed the S-5 clamps and ColorGard. Sean was able to achieve the quality look he wanted with a snow retention system that maintains the roof integrity, mitigates potential rooftop avalanches, and complements the look of the roof, with a clean appearance and perfect color and finish matching. All designed to last the life of the roof and warranted to do so.
With the standing seam roof, it's imperative that you minimize your penetrations. The only way to go is with a clamp-on system, and S-5's the original, best manufactured and by far the best customer service that I found.